are a team.
Oh, you see yourself in the camera, you don't know what to do.
She's like, who that on my mommy?
That's
I'll
you.
fight you.
Aaron, Aaron. Ow.
You okay?
Yes. Say, Daddy. We are making. What are we making, Daddy?
We are making your great-great-grandmother's banana pudding.
Cool.
Where is the flour?
Because I was recording.
You're already recording?
Yes.
What flowers? Probably. Didn't I buy new flour?
I don't think you bought new
I could have sworn.
flour.
I could have sworn. Because I wouldn't have bought sugar without buying flour. Because I bought the Nilla wafers too. Where's the Nilla wafers?
Okay, we got the Nillas. For shizzle my Nilla.
You're silly.
That's funny.
You're silly.
That right there is quality content. I don't know what you're talking about, dude.
You got it.
Thanks. You're a banana pudding expert.
Expert, really?
Yep, you're the expert.
I'm the expert. But terrible.
Well, you learn from the best.
I did.
Learn from Mama T.
My mom.
And okay, so this is the first step, kind of.
Just kind of greasing it up so that when it goes into the oven, you know, it doesn't stick. Let's use a
What's the thing?
temporary
Thing, a tin.
that.
So y'all, you gotta wash your hands when you're making stuff. Don't want germs. Yeah, booger juice from this one. Yes, I'm talking about you. Don't burn yourself. You are hot, baby, but I am.
You're having a lot of fun.
I am having so much fun. This is our day-to-day life. It's just, I'm just adding a little razzle dazzle.
Really? You're going to have that?
Yep.
Being that we don't have a reliable can opener,
Listen, kids, don't try this at home.
please don't try.
Okay, so pretty much you're gonna need bananas because it's banana pudding. If you don't use bananas in banana pudding,
It's not banana pudding.
it's not banana.
It's pudding.
Hold on, let's get this for the peoples.
I love everybody down south who doesn't like bananas in their banana pudding, but it is not then banana pudding.
If you don't have bananas in your banana, no, it's not. If you don't have bananas in your banana pudding, it is not banana pudding.
It's just pudding.
It's just pudding.
And pudding's okay.
Pudding's disgusting.
Pudding is fine.
No.
The only difference is that we layer bananas in there. Like,
No.
you know,
Right here.
we don't want to alienate any viewers, man.
Anyways, as I was saying, you need a banana.
They gotta be ripe. You don't want to use unripe bananas.
This is kind of bananas. This is what gotta look like. I guess to your
A good yellow.
a good yellow, a high yellow, like they say down south, a high yellow. And then I'm gonna need. You're gonna need some Nilla wafers. Okay, this is what they look like.
Do not put the off-brand drink either.
You heard it from the professional. Do not get the off-brand.
If it doesn't say Nilla, like if you get vanilla wafers, you're not making this right.
Right, exactly.
Like I hate to be like elitist about it, but yes, the kitchen is nice. Alright, you got a back away from you.
Okay.
That dangerous knife.
Yes, we have the little Eden helper. You're so cute. And then you have your sugar, flour,
You do not
and
need a whole lot of flour. You definitely need way more sugar than flour. Otherwise, that come out.
okay, I'll get you some socks, baby. And vanilla extract, right? Oh, ooh, that's a secret ingredient.
You
Ooh.
don't have to put the vanilla extract in it, but it helps. Yes.
And
Evaporated milk.
evaporated milk. Okay, hold on, baby.
So we got small. We gotta have small measuring spoons. So kind of gotta do a little bit of math. This is a half a teaspoon. I need a tablespoon and a half. Tablespoon and a half is 4.5 teaspoons. So 9 of these. In here, in the saucepan. That's gonna go in there.
Are you gonna cook it with fire?
I sure am. I'm also going to get a couple eggs.
So, how many eggs do we need?
Only 2.
Okay.
Only 2.
And then what is on medium heat?
I haven't put the heat on at all yet, but yes.
Not yet, baby.
In a minute. Come on. There we go. Vanilla wafers, sweetie.
Can't wait to crack them.
Okay, can you put them back, please? Alright, so there's that. So now, get the whisk again. See, I like to make sure that everything is nice and clean, so I'm just going to put this down.
Joey,
take the whisk
no,
out.
baby.
Joey.
It's already on,
Joey,
baby. Thank
leave
you.
It, sweetie. Leave it, okay? Thank you. That's alright, Joe. It's okay. Joey, come hold my hand.
Oh,
I need you to hold my hand.
close it. Okay, hold on. Okay, I help her.
Okay.
I will help her.
It's okay. It's okay. Alright, so we're stirring it up.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Joe.
What Benny the Butcher say? You hear sounds of the pot scraping. Me, I only hear music. Stream Benny the Butcher. That is essential. Shout out to Griselda. Shout out to Big BSF. Shout out to the drum work. We live out here, Buffalo Kids. To whisk these eggs in there. We're gonna start making this custard. The custard is probably the second most important part of the banana pudding. It's the pudding part of the banana pudding. Without a custard, you do not have banana pudding. Just like without bananas, you do not have banana pudding.
Period.
We're not gonna keep being petty about it. I'm not gonna keep being petty about it. I can't speak for my wife.
I let it go.
Did you?
Yes.
Okay, awesome. Generous helping of vanilla extract. You gotta get the good vanilla extract too, like the all natural joint. Like the pure vanilla extract. This is the one we're using right here. Pure vanilla extract.
Wait till it focus. Focus.
Really?
Focus.
Barley! Ah, forget it.
Oh, come on. Aaron, you're not helping.
Aaron, dude, come on, man. I'm mad that we always put him down like he about to walk. That's the thing, like we always put him down like he about to walk.
There we go. This is the vanilla extract. There we go. This is the real YouTuber stuff. You gotta put your hand behind the thing.
Is that how I go?
To show the product that you're using.
That's how I go?
Yep.
Yeah, I don't know nothing about that. Shout out to all the YouTubers out here making content. We see you. Shout out to all of them. I hope y'all get 1 million, billion views this holiday season. All right, now while we waiting for this to thicken, so what you gonna do is you gonna with the custard, you let it thicken to, my mom says, until it's like the consistency of melting ice cream. My camera 1 or camera 2? There's no other camera.
Wait. Yes,
So
there we go.
My mom
Okay.
says to get it to where it's the consistency of like melting ice cream. So we're gonna let that cook up a little bit. I'm gonna switch it. I'm gonna put the heat down a little bit lower, so that while we're lining the pan, getting the bananas prepped and everything, that it's not like boiling over. And then our last step, we're going to get the hand mixer. We're gonna beat the egg whites until they become a meringue, and then that's gonna be that. We might actually need the sugar for that. We do need the sugar for that to make sure that it whips up.
Okay. Do you want to call your?
That's how you know you did it.
That looks really good.
You don't want them burnt, but you want them peaks to be nice and brown.
Courtesy of the finest chef ever. Bow. And that's the end of the video. Our kiddos are acting wild.
Yeah.
So we're getting ready for bed.
Show enough.
Nope. No, stop. I'm not deleting that.
Thanks for tuning in, y'all. Yeah, if you got any questions, or if you got your own banana pudding recipe, drop it in the comments. We'd love to see how you do it, how you put your personal spin on it. Subscribe. Hit that button, make it bling. Subscribe.
And we will see y'all in the next video. Jojo, what are you doing? Anyways, we'll see
She's
y'all.
gonna be 2 tomorrow. Like, we don't know what's going on.
Right.
We're gonna go attend to Eden, get everybody ready for bed. Catch y'all on the flip.
See y'all. Don't wanna be y'all.